Hi viewers, how are you? I am Irfan. I am fine. I hope you are also fine. May Allah Almighty showers His countless blessings on you and your dear ones. So let's start our today video. Our today video topic is DIY above ground pole landscaping. Landscaping around an above ground pole can greatly enhance its appearance and create a more inviting and enjoyable outdoor space. Here are some DIY landscaping ideas for above ground poles. Define the pole area. Start by clearly defining the area around your pole. You can install a border using stones, pavers, or a low decorative fence to separate the pole area from the rest of the yard. Create a pole deck. Build or enhance your pole deck to provide a functional and attractive space for lounging and entertaining. Use materials such as wood, composite decking, or concrete pavers for the deck surface. Consider adding seating, outdoor furniture, or even a pergola for shade and comfort. Add plants and greenery. Planting shrubs, flowers, and other plants around the pole area can often its appearance and provide privacy. Choose plants that are suitable for your climate and that can tolerate splashes of water. Option for low maintenance options such as ornamental grasses, succulents, or evergreen shrubs. Incorporate muck or gravel. Cover the ground around the pole with muck or gravel to create a clean and finished look. This also helps to prevent mud and debris from being tracked into the pole. Install lighting. Enhance the ambience and safety of your pole area by adding outdoor lighting. Install pathway lights, spotlights, or string lights to illuminate the pole and surrounding landscaping during the evening hours. Consider privacy. If you desire more privacy around your pole, you can incorporate privacy screens, trellises, or tall plants to create a barrier between your pole and neighboring properties. Create a theme or style. Choose a specific theme or style that complements your pole and the overall aesthetic of your outdoor space. For example, you could create a tropical oasis with palm trees, bamboo accents, and colorful flowers, or go for a contemporary look with clean lines and minimalistic landscaping. Remember to consider safety when planning your pole landscaping. Ensure that any plants or structures are positioned at a safe distance from the pole and that there are no sharp edges or rippling hazards. Overall, the goal is to create a visually appealing and functional space that integrates your above ground pole seamlessly into your backyard landscape. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.